Jeff Maro. At number 8, Lesnar Nadia. At number 5, Lutsen Inyon. They're playing coach, Lutsen Inyon. Now calling on the starters of the Batangas Bulls. Let's start with number 27, Jenna Magbaya. At number 8, Maanomali. At number 15, Alvin De Torres. At number 16, their team captain, Don Cantos. Number 22, Vincent Castillo. At number 9, Ken Cabrera. They're playing coach, Don Cantos. It's the Mindanao Wolves versus the Batangas Bulls. This is the JTI Nationals Battle for Gold.
Battle for gold between the Mindanao and the Batangas Bulls. Should be a fun one between these two teams. This is JTI the Nationals Finals. Set number 1 underway between these two teams. Again, Ken Pangalinan still with Gaira Baronga. And the crowd is pretty much hyped up. And for good reason, these two teams unblemished with immaculate records. They will go at it for the right to be called champions. Alvin De Torres starts things off. Where the point?
First point for the Batangas Bulls.
Much intensity in this match.
Puntos agad si Alvin De Torres.
Service error.
Now they commit an error.
Point for the Wolves.
Something to watch out for both these squads.
Shemas Navas, survey.
Good serve, picked up well by De Torres.
Rosa.
Nalapas ulit yan. Mindanao Wolves. Back-to-back points. And we have certain key matchups here. You know, Vincent Castillo, Alvin De Torres of Jeff Monteclaro and Ed Suana. Cantos, tumalon, huli, illegal attack.
And just reiterating the rules,
Illegal attack.
male players cannot attack while jumping
Yeah.
in the front row. They can block if it's from a hit.
First error committed by the Mindanao Wolves. We also did not mention Cabrera, who's also had that penchant for those 1-2 plays, those drop
And
balls.
Survey.
What's different now with the Mindanao Wolves is Aninyon is not playing as a setter, but he's actually playing as a defender. Dadya is the main setter right now.
Yeah. And Suana cross court. Cabrera.
That's a free ball, but it goes out. Nice
Rosa.
by Suana.
Something the Batangas Bulls need to clean up here. All 4 of the Mindanao Wolves points just coming from
Let's
the
start that,
Batangas
yeah.
Bulls errors.
Survey.
Santos,
That is in. Hits
That's
the line.
inside.
Perfect
Point
time.
for the Bulls.
Don Cantos. Nicely done. So actually, mga trio of players yung mga dapat abangan dito eh. That 3-player combination of Jeff Monteclaro
Declaro.
who scores.
Declaro starting to heat up here in the first set. Like we were mentioning yesterday,
Yeah.
usually ito si Monteclaro
Survey. For the
the
Wolves.
second
team
set na
captain,
nagpilit. Pero
Ed
nakita
Suana.
natin, his form is already on point here in the first set.
Yeah.
What a block by Aninyon!
Timing that beautifully. Abangan yung palo doon.
Serving three.
Even 6-3 our score. Mindanao Wolves with a 3-point lead.
De Torres from the back. Perfect pass by Monteclaro. He adjusts
Umapang. Ball still in play.
the chance ball, but that goes over.
Cabrera to Vincent Castillo who overshoots the target.
Attack goes up.
It's attempt there, but just could not put it in. Osamis native, Ed Suana.
And the surface
Strays.
from Suana.
One for the Wolves.
Going early here.
Timeout, Batangas Bulls.
Beautifully executed serve, forcing a timeout early here for the Batangas Bulls.
Mindanao Wolves now dominating here in the first set. They have a 5-point advantage. That, of course,
Here for the Batangas Bulls.
Mindanao Wolves now dominating here in the first set. They have a 5-point advantage. That, of course, they have more consistent with and talagang abangan itong ba't hindi makaporma sa kanila.
Yeah. 8-3. Score here in set number 1. Ed Suana was really magnificent in foiling si Yuki Ora, no, when they in that match yesterday.
Oh,
That's a block!
that's a football.
This is the intensity we were
Castillo.
looking for, Ken. Castillo with a solid block.
One block. Aninyon, the block early on Castillo, and then Castillo returning the favor, denying that Monteclaro attempt. Alvin De Torres. Castillo puts it up. Aninyon. Pinuntahan si Suana. Goes for the long ball. Nandoon yung depensa ni Cantos. Alvin De Torres. Nice pick up by Suana, but not enough.
Alvin De Torres.
De Torres,
Four for the Bulls.
such a tower for the Bulls. But look at that pickup by Suana. Could not be kept alive.
Yung serve
Goes up.
ni Umali. Giving up 3 points.
Defense by Umali. They go back to Castillo from the pipe, and that goes out.
Attack goes up.
7 errors already against the Batangas Bulls. In fact, they have more attacks compared to
That is the
Mindanao.
camera. Survey.
But because of their errors, they're still lagging behind. 1-2 signature move galing kay Cabrera.
And that's what we mentioned earlier with Cabrera. Whenever he's in the front line, gagawa niya ng paraan. Makapuntos with that 1-2 play.
Tinuho pa talaga naman. Aninyon bumps it up. Monteclaro takes off. It's out.
Attack goes up.
Monteclaro tried to put that one over with a soft touch, but he overtook it.
Then
Jenna Magbayaw. Survey.
Bayo will serve. Aninyon to Suana. Cabrera, pinuntahan si Castillo, pinalo off speed. Suana goes for a more powerful hit. Alvin De Torres. Nandoon si Jeff Monteclaro pero nag-commit ng double contact violation. Si Aninyon.
And then Yon tried to give that back to Suana and Monteclaro, but slipping through his fingers.
3 straight points by the Bulls. They pull to within 2 points.
Good target by Monteclaro. Castillo from the back row.
Castillo
Attackers out.
the target. Another point for the Mindanao Wolves. Kinakapitan itong kalamangan nila. It's up to 3 again. 11-8. Okay.
Langita is in for the Wolves as the libero.
Service error.
Service error. Laban kay Aninyon. 11-9. Serving now is
Vincent Castillo.
Vincent
Serving.
Perfect pass. 1-2 play. Cabrera got that one.
Inangat de Torres. Suana goes to Monteclaro, who wasn't able to launch. No look from Don Cantos. Nandun yung depensa ni Aninyon. Ed Suana, the pickup by Magbayaw. Cabrera, no cigar there.
Jeff Monteclaro.
Monteclaro targeting side. Capitalizing on the miscommunication.
Ang doon yung depensa ni Suana. At si Cabrera yung nagulat doon.
De Torres straight to the
Attack error. Point for the Bulls.
Another attack error committed here by the Batangas Bulls.
13, serving 9.
Vincent Castillo. Umalo si Suana and he will convert.
Ah!
Second point for Ed Suana.
Mindanao Wolves very comfortable with their lead right now. Monteclaro
Serving Jeff Monteclaro.
Perfect pass by De Torres. 1-2 play by Cabrera. Read well by the Wolves.
Hinabol ni Aninyon, itinawid. Cabrera, galing sa likod. Ed Suana, pinalo. No, actually tinawid na lang din ni Jeff Monteclaro.
A left hit by De Torres.
Suana moves forward and hits that one in.
Suana swooping in for the Mindanao Wolves.
Nicely done. 59.
Timeout, but
Six
Justice
point lead.
Bulls. Scores at 15-9 in
Bulls
favor
calls
of the
for another
Mindanao
timeout.
Wolves.
This lead slowly increasing here for the Mindanao Wolves. Don Cantos, their team captain. Working out instructions here.
Instructing his teammates to actually yung pinofocus niya dito yung defense kasi nakikita niya nga na medyo magulo yung defense itong Batangas Bulls sa likod.
Let's see how they respond. Monteclaro will serve.
Cabrera standing
Juana goes for it. He will not get it.
Attacker.
Batangas Bulls getting a free point.
Monteclaro with a free ball. A chance again for the Wolves to convert.
Let's see if they do.
Dadia goes to Monteclaro.
Monteclaro, yes!
Getting that
Jeff
point.
Monteclaro.
Perfect hit from Monteclaro. Targeting Castillo.
16-10. 6-point lead. Vincent Castillo from the back. No!
Attack goes out. Point for the Wolves.
Castillo trying to avoid the blockers there. But miscalculates that one. Good serve.
10 errors na itong Batangas Bulls.
Aninion with a perfect pass.
Yeah. Monteclaro. Isa na naman.
Declaro playing so well here in the first set.
Hang time.
Sama, Serben.
The Surigao City-based player of the Mindanao Wolves. Suana. The launch pad. No. He won't get it across. Point to
One
the Batangas Bulls.
Nice target though. Now you have Cabrera on the service line for the Bulls, although that one sails out.
Itong errors na binibigay itong Batangas Bulls. Mindanao Wolves inching closer, up by 8 now. An ace!
Ogosa.
The Mindanao Wolves just 1 point away from taking the first set of the finals.
Mindanao Wolves. Now let's set point.
Nadia getting the ace here.
Going to the middle, straight to the
Attack
net.
cutter.
And the Mindanao Wolves take the first set 21-11. What an outing here.
Definitely. You saw both teams
The Mindanao Wolves.
really go at it here. This one,
21-11 and now leads the match.
nagkumita naman ng error. That was Don Cantos. That's why Mindanao getting themselves first on the board by a score of 21-11. They're one set away from grabbing the championship.
You can really feel the intensity here at the upper deck sports center. You can see actually both teams talagang seryosong seryoso. It's not the usual happy-go-lucky vibes nila eh.
Yeah.
And the first set, the Mindanao Wolves got 6 attacks versus the Bulls who got 4 attacks only. 1 block each. Actually, that's what we've been raving about, yung blockings ng both teams. Talagang naaabangan nila ang isa't isa. But the Wolves got 2 service aces out of that set.
Definitely, you saw. I mean, compared to that battle for third matchup, guys, this one much more intense. Both teams pretty much focused. Monteclaro was the star in this first set. He had 4 points to lead the charge for the Mindanao Wolves. You saw that ace earlier from Ed Suana. De Torres certainly had his moments. Siya ang leading scorer, no, for the Batangas Bulls in that first set, but just the answers coming from the Mindanao Wolves. Ed Suana, a couple of points here and there, also had 3 points for their squad. Monteclaro, we told you already how deadly this duo is. And Monteclaro, once he gets himself going, it's really tough to stop him. Nadia also had an ace earlier. So, marami nag-chip in from both the Mindanao Wolves and the Batangas Bulls. But the Wolves handily taking care of business in that first set.
But with the Bulls, alam naman natin talaga na hindi sila basta-basta magpapatalo, lalo na if Castillo and Cabrera are inside the court. So here in the second set, we should expect a much more intense and collected group here for the Bulls.
Let's see how that will pan out here, because Jeff Monteclaro could be one of the favorites for the individual awards here. But he would like nothing more than bringing a title for the Mindanao Wolves. Set number 2 underway. Batangas Bulls getting off on their serve here. This is JTI, the Nationals Finals.
But talking about Monteclaro, I want to rave about Suana, who he actually has been the most efficient player for the Wolves. So if you're talking about MVP, Suana could actually be a really good contender.
Yeah. You could not go wrong either way. Aninyon, the unsung hero,
Umali with a good pickup.
Castillo. Tanya to Suana. Cabrera to Castillo. One of the long rallies we've had so far. Cabrera again. De Torres, yes!
Alvin Torres.
With that perfect hit, going for that soft
First point for Bulls.
was not expected by the Wolves.
Castillo will
Vincent
serve.
Castillo.
Yes, he had to get
Serving.
himself going here. And that continues. He commits a service error. He's gonna need to step up more, Vincent Castillo, kasi isa siya sa mga pinaka-inaasahan dito para sa Batangas Bulls. They haven't really mounted some sort of offense yet.
Suana swooping in.
Ana gets that one in.
Suana.
And this is what we were talking about. If it's about the efficiency, Suana is all over the board in terms of defense, especially his offense. Good pass by Castillo. Sent over.
Chance for the Mindanao Wolves to strike.
Monteclaro from the back row. Picked up well by De Torres.
De Torres will answer. He cannot get it over.
Point for the Bulls.
Errors ng Batangas Bulls. Kailangan nilang bantayan dito.
Estabas with a good serve. Cabrera giving it to Castillo. Was up by the Wolves.
Yan yung gusto mo. More of those from Vincent Castillo. Executed attack there by Vincent Castillo.
Umali also has been having great defense here. Cabrera tried to go for his
Point for the Bulls.
1-2 play, but he didn't know he was very near the sidelines there.
Error din siya doon.
Yeah. Actually, what Cabrera should try is go for those back set 1-2 plays kasi masyado na siya
Service error.
harap.
Mababasa na siya. Yan Cabrera. Good serve. Aninyon will set up Ed Suana. Another point.
Juana really pushing for this win. But if you're the Batangas Bulls, you have only 2 points to get to tie this match, to tie this set rather.
Suana. Don Cantos, pinuntahan si Magbayaw. Nagkapanggahan pa si Dalia at si Monteclaro. Magbayaw! Get it! Unlikely source of points.
Miscommunication there by the Wolves.
Serving for the Bulls. Team captain Don Cantos.
Santos with a good serve. Aninyon giving it to Monteclaro from the left side.
Nandun ulit yung depensa ni Alvin De Torres. Dalia will pick it up. Suana. Deflected by Vincent Castillo. Castillo will score!
Point for the Bulls.
Great target by Castillo. But we really have to commend Umali, who has been stepping in for her team, especially in terms of defense, even in the past 2 days.
Oh, yeah. And then they get an ace.
That's an ace. Point for the Bulls.
Don Cantos. Their crowd egging them on.
Line out Mindanao Wolves.
Mindanao Wolves sue for time. Their lead has dissipated here. And this is something that do. They have to rise to the occasion. The Mindanao Wolves slightly favored here, especially getting that in convincing fashion. So a much better start here in a second set.
The Mindanao Wolves trying to regroup here, but on the side of the Batangas Wolves, the one we don't see on the screen, we have actually Ansures, who is leading this timeout, as well as Lianes.
Yeah.
So Santos on the service line for the Bulls.
6-5 our score. Oh, nice setup. Monteclaro and
Boys,
one connection.
Suana with a perfect approach there. That's actually, I thought it would be a chance ball, pero nagawan pa talaga ng paraan ni Suana.
Vincent Castillo almost got it in.
That's still good.
Castillo again.
And touch Wolves.
Against the Mindanao Wolves.
Yes, Aninyon touched that net after the block. Now we have Umali on the service line for the Batangas Bulls.
Maanumalis.
F. Monteclaro. He will score.
Ogosa. Boy Wolves.
7-all.
Points.
So Aninyon will serve. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. Pintahan si De Torres.
Points.
So Aninyon will serve. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. But that time, not successful. Monteclaro hit.
What great teamwork we're seeing right now from the Mindanao Wolves.
Magbayaw though, taking the challenge. Umali.
Serves.
Sean, it's an ace. Magbayaw though, taking the challenge. Umali.
Serves.
Claro hit.
What great teamwork we're seeing right now from the Mindanao Wolves.
Magbayaw though, taking the challenge. Umali.
Wolves.
But that time, Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. But that time, not Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. Si De Torres. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. But that time, not successful.
Ogosa. Boy Wolves.
7-all.
points.
So, Aninyon will serve. Cabrera, pintahan si De Torres.
Grabe yung angulo ni Suana
Yeah.
doon.
Pero grabe din yung depensa ni Magbayaw. But that time, not successful. Monteclaro hit.
What great teamwork we're seeing right now from the Mindanao Wolves.
Magbayaw though, taking the challenge. Umali.
Service!
It's an ace.
And in yun, with that service ace targeting Mali in that almost at the end line actually.
And then the Wolves creating some separation up by 2 points. Tilio, nice pick up by Aninyon. Monteclaro nakahanap ng sibak sa depensa.
Declaro!
What Monteclaro has been playing so well in this match in the finals. Talagang nakapag-adjust na siya with his setter.
So serving, Monsenio.
There. De Torres, it's out.
Torres has
That goes out.
adjusting to that set. Medyo nasa likod niya na yung pag-set nun eh. Batangas Bulls asking for a timeout here.
Timeout, Batangas Bulls.
Apat na ang lamang dito ng Mindanao Wolves. Wolves need a reprieve here to figure out how to deal with onslaught that the Mindanao Wolves are dealing now. Alignment, gusto nila ayusin. And lumamang na dito gaya yung Batangas Bulls eh. 6-5. Nag-timeout lang itong Mindanao Wolves. It turned out to be a great timeout because since that timeout, they were able to pull off a 6-1 run to get this 4-point lead.
There was a momentum. The Wolves really took charge after that one. And the service.
Ani dito kay Aninyon. (12-7).
Claro.
So that stops their run. 7-1 run before that miscue by Aninyon. Subs coming in. Si Aninyon
Substitution. Number out. Number 3, Ken Ramos. In.
Ken Ramos. Magbaya will serve. Alam mo, believe ka rin sa karamihan sa mga players dito. Gaya hindi rin talaga nagpapapalit eh.
They're very competitive. That's what I would say. Talagang ayaw nila magpatalo and they want to be on the court all the time.
Yeah.
Cabrera wants to play.
And I really haven't seen any player been fatigued here. I mean, yung visibly makita mo napagod. Given how intense the matches have been, that's certainly
tackles.
remarkable. 13-8,
Monteclaro is now on the service line.
originally from Agusan.
Jeff Monteclaro.
Ikaw.
Serving.
Suana. Magbayaw keeps it. No, hindi nila
That's
That was actually a very good pass from Magbayaw. Wala lang talagang communication. Nagturuan sila.
78.
Magbayaw with another good pass.
Castillo will just send it over. Tadia. Tatawid. Tadia bumps it up. Monteclaro goes for it. Monteclaro, one more time, it will sail out.
Sakto
Si Jeff Monteclaro. But earlier, he was getting good touches.
Again, thank you everyone watching us live on the MS Teams. This is the finals of the volleyball tournament. Two undefeated teams clash here. Ed Swana rises and
That is
scores!
inside. It's Suwana.
Definitely bringing in his A game here. But you know what? Suwana is really the player from the Wolves, not deserving of a player of the game. Kasi talagang efficient siya eh. Less
Attack
errors
better.
Suwana.
Point for the Wolves.
Some errors here from the Batangas Wolves.
16-9. Another
Attack
error
better.
by the Bulls. Separation here.
And the now Wolves are at 17, very comfortable with their lead. Cabrera sends it to De Torres.
De Torres drills that one in.
That's a point for the Bulls.
From the Batangas Wolves. Actually, nawala yung pagiging ano nila eh, yung pagiging careful nila yesterday. They
Yeah.
were very they were
Substitution.
maingat.
For the
Ang
Wolves.
ginagawa
Number
nila
2
in
out.
the hold. Kaya sila nanalo.
Number 1, Edmund. Ule in.
Pulig is in for the first time in this match.
Cabrera goes to Castillo, left it short. 10 errors
Attack
already
better.
against the Batangas Bulls. 19-10. 2 points away. The Wolves from grabbing the championship.
Error coming from
Service too
Batangas
short.
line.
Point for the Bulls.
The Bulls will need to step it up. Little room for error.
Good pass. Dadia asks for it. Suwana from the back.
Swana picks it up. Swana goes for it again.
Now a chance ball for the Wolves. How can they convert?
Dadia. One more time, Ed Swana. Castillo with the easy up. Castillo rises. Swana retrieving that attack. Nice rally here. High ball from Ramos. Oh, Ramos! The unpromising source of points. He gets it.
The Mindanao Wolves
Substitution.
are now at championship point.
To Jeff Monteclaro in.
Monteclaro will come in.
Wolves now
And they seal it here. Conquer the competition, and they will be crowned as the JTI the Nationals volleyball champions. Won a
Our
tournament.
final score
The
is
Mindanao Wolves
21-11 and 21-11.
Their campaign
Once again, our participants for match number 14.